Alright, this is video 10 for geometry, and today we're going to be looking at triangle angle sums. So first of all, we have the Triangle Sum Theorem, which means it states that the sum of all angle measures of a triangle is 180. So I can add up the angle A, B, and C, and it will be 180. Okay, and that's something that we've probably looked at for a while now. So we're going to do an example here. So here we'd be adding up the measures of angle M, angle L, and angle N. So we're going to take 63 plus 82 plus x equals 180. So we have 145 plus x equals 180, so x equals 35. All right, so that's just with strictly numbers. Now we can go and we can also deal with expressions. So remember, when we have this box in the corner, that means 90 degrees. All right, so here I can add up all three of these sides together. 3x plus 4x plus 6 plus 90 equals 180. So we first need to combine like terms. This will become 96 equals 180. All right, so then I've got 7x equaling 84, and we divide by 7, and x equals 12. Okay, now if we actually wanted to find the measure of one of these angles, I'd plug in 12 for x up here, and I'd say 3 times 12, and that would be 36. And then if I knew this was 36 and this was 90, we could either plug in 12 for x, or we could use do it kind of like number 1. But either way, we should get the right answer. All right, the next property we're going to be looking at is the exterior angle property. And that is the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of its remote interior angles. Remote interior means it's the two angles that are not adjacent. So for this one, it would be angle A and angle B. So if we add up those two angles, it will equal this outside angle. So first, let's look at number 3. I'm simply going to be adding my two remote angles, and that should equal my exterior angle. So 54 plus 61, that'll be 115. 115 degrees. All right, and for number 4, this problem, same thing. We'll be adding our two remote angles, which are 5x plus 2 and 90, because we know what that angle is. Okay, and those will equal our exterior angle. So we're going to take 5x plus 2 plus 90, and that's going to equal our remote angle. So first, combine like terms, and then we're going to solve. This will be just a regular equation now that we can solve. So we're going to subtract our 5x. I have 92 equaling 8x plus 4. And when I subtract my 4, we get 88 equals 8x. So x equals 11. Now if I wanted to find this actual angle, we would take 13 times 11 plus 4. So this angle here would be 147 degrees. Okay, and that's our exterior angle property. So we've got that, and then we also have our triangle sum theorem, where all angles in a triangle measure up to 180.